Hi everybody from YouTube. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can factory reset your new Sony Wf-1000Xm4. So the process is very simple. The first step you have to follow is obviously to have both earbuds placed on the case. Then we're gonna hold the fingers on the touch sensors on both earbuds until the red indicator flashes about 10 seconds and then release your fingers. Release your fingers within 5 seconds after the red indicator flashes, otherwise the earbuds won't be initialized. Then we have to close the case, open it again, and as you can see, the initiation is complete when the green indicator flashes 4 times, as you can see. Now your earbuds are reset and you can pair it again with your device. So it's been all. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. So check it out.